Your favorite squishy dumplings are coming! Get ready for the cutest challenge ever! Every round's packed with adorable squishy dumpling boxes, but there's one tiny problem. You can only pick one. Some are super rare, sparkling with glitter, or unbelievably cute. Others are goofy, quirky, and full of hilarious surprises. In Quiz Kingdom's Choose Your Squishy Dumpling Box, every choice feels impossible because every dumpling's soft, squishy, and absolutely irresistible. Follow your heart, choose your favorites, and let's squish! Let's start with something sweet. Pick your favorite cupcake. Time to choose a squishy dumpling. Which plushie would you cuddle? Froggy's dream house would be pink. Wow, there's so many cute houses here! Froggy wants to move in right now. But before it, can you tell where the watermelon house is? It's in position 3. Would you sleep in this bunk bed? Grab your favorite lollipop. Welcome to your castle. Which one's yours? Choose a treehouse for your next adventure. So many cute cards here, but there's only one unique card. Oh, here it is! Where would your pet sleep? Pick your robot companion. Froggy will try the rainbow this time. Cozy up by your favorite fireplace. Hop aboard your dream yacht. Ready for takeoff? Pick your airplane. Let's make a once-in-a-lifetime decision. Free first-class airline tickets or like this video to own an airplane. Relax in your perfect hot tub. Which pillow looks the comfiest? Build your ultimate gaming room. Grab a Nintendo Switch. Froggy's color will be ice. Pick the tastiest sundae. Can you match the ice cream with its shadows? It's time to reveal the answer. Be honest, which toilet are you picking? Your birthday cake is waiting. Brew your coffee with one of these. Can't go without a handbag, don't you agree? Light up your room with your favorite lamp. Can you complete the pattern? The right lamp should be this one. Pick a toilet paper holder for your bathroom. Take a stroll through your dream garden. Choose a tent for your camping trip with Froggy. All aboard! Pick your train! Float into the sky with your favorite hot air balloon. We just need one more piece to complete this hot air balloon. Oh, here's the right piece. Time for a ride. Choose your scooter. Design your dream bathroom. Pick a car and hit the road. Froggy doesn't think there'd be anyone trying the lava pathway. Relax on your dream balcony. Movie night. Pick your favorite cinema room. What movie are we watching tonight? Buttered or cheesy? Which popcorn wins? Time for a drink. Which soda are you grabbing? Pack your bags. Where are we going? Don't forget your umbrella. Which one are you taking? Pick your perfect spot on the beach. Which cocktail looks the most refreshing? Time to check in! Which hotel gets your vote? Where should we eat today? What's going on your dinner plate? Save room for dessert. Which one tempts you most? Grab a snack. Which chips are calling your name? Which mug deserves your morning coffee? Dinner served. Pick your favorite plate. Rise and shine. What's your dream breakfast? Which neon sign would light up your room? Which party would you never want to miss? Choose a bunch of balloons to celebrate. Which bar has the best vibe? Last round. Which musical instrument would it be? You made it to the end! What's your final score? Drop it in the comments and let's see who wins. Hit subscribe and join us again soon. Bye-bye!